This is 1993, number 38. So we're given a second derivative, and we want to find a possibility for f. Well, if I integrate f prime, it gives me f. Or f double prime, it gives me f prime. So f prime is the integral of f double prime. Hopefully you know that. But f double prime is 2x minus cos x. And so we're going to find the antiderivative of that. Well, the rule is I add 1 to the exponent and divide by that. And the antiderivative of the cosine is just the sine, but I have a plus c. So be careful, there's a plus c there. That's some random constant. I'll just call c1. These will cancel out. So this is f prime of x. Well, I'm trying to find f. F is the antiderivative of f prime of x. So that's going to be the antiderivative of x squared minus sine x plus c1. That's going to be x cubed over 3. The antiderivative of sine is minus cosine, double check. And plus c1x plus c2. What is going on? This is where people get confused. So c1 is any constant, 5, 7, -3, pi, e. What's the antiderivative of the constant? Constant times x. Double check. What's the derivative of a constant times x? Just the constant, so you know you got it right. But when you integrate, you introduce a c, so now I have a new c. I call c2 because it's different from that c. So here is a possibility for this function where this c1 and c2 could be any constant. So which one matches that form? So x cubed over 3, I have two possibilities, but then the minus and minus make plus, so it's got to be plus cosine. So A has to be the answer. In this case, c1 is just -1, and c2 is 1. So this is possible. These could have had any numbers in front or any numbers there and been right. But the answer is A. Let me stop recording.